Spooky2 Portable GeneratorX Remote Kit. This video will display the products that are included in the Spooky2 Portable GeneratorX Remote Kit. All machines are packaged in a one-layer portable bag. Please check each product with the parcel list and make sure no parts are missing. Now, let's check the details of the Spooky2 Portable GeneratorX Remote Kit. There is one Spooky2 GeneratorX, one power adapter. The correct power plugs will be equipped based on your country standards, and one USB cable. There are two Spooky2 Remote 2.0 packed in this kit to hold your DNA sample for Spooky2 Remote treatment. And here are two Spooky2 Boost 3.1. You can use them to combine the power of both output channels of the generator and quadruple the output power. Finally, you can find the user's manual and 4 pieces of DNA stickers. Please store the DNA stickers carefully, as they look similar to paper strips. Thank you for watching this video.